Hi everyone, I am Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. For anyone who's new, I am Jasmine and I'm on a 90-day weight loss challenge to lose 20 kgs, and today is day 30th. That means today I have completed 1 month out of 3 months into the challenge. A little bit update on my weight. I've lost 4.5 kgs in 30 days, which I think is commendable, and I'm so happy and so proud of myself. So let me start with what I have for my morning drinks. Now, I usually have chia seeds and warm water and lemon, but I'm not going to have chia seeds right now. I'm just going to have warm water and lemon because I'm going to use chia seeds and something else. So, lemon is great for detoxifying your body, it is great for your gut, it's great to cleanse and clarify your system. So, when you wake up, the first thing in the morning, you want to have a warm liquid and you want to have something that's just going to help detoxify your body. Honestly, you guys, since 2 days I've been all over the place. ऐसे डाइट करने का मन नहीं कर रहा है. Remember 3 days पहले I was cribbing कि एक और किलो चले जाता है. Wish I'd lost more weight, and then the news suddenly broke in, and whatever is happening in the country, it is so sad, it is so heartbreaking. And फिर ऐसे लगता है कि हमारी problems इतनी छोटी है. So these 2 days have been really heavy. So for anyone and everyone who's watching, please be safe, please follow all the protocols, stay indoors. Anyone who's, I don't want to say much because the government has told all of us to not share a lot on social media, so I want to be very careful. But all I can tell you guys is please take care and please follow all the guidelines. Now, usually I have my immunity shot, but this week my mom has changed and she's given me a Jeera shot. So I'm going to have this. This is great for bloating. This is great to burn your belly fat. So these are the drinks that I have as soon as I wake up in the morning. So it's a little spicy, but my mom said it's also good, for your throat, and you won't catch a cold. Viral is so bad right now, and the weather in Bombay is changing. It was raining and now it's so hot. So I think something like this is really going to help. So I've ordered my collagen. It's not yet here, so I'm going to skip that for today, and I'm going to have my black coffee. For anyone who's watching, if you're a tea person, if you're a coffee person, please do not have it as soon as you wake up in the morning. If that is the first thing that you ingest, you're going to get bloating. You're going to be heavily acidic because you don't want that. You first want to have your water, you want to detoxify your body, and then you want to have caffeine. So caffeine shouldn't be the first thing that you have as soon as you wake up in the morning. I was working till late last night, so let me enjoy my coffee. And I'm going to show you guys something new that I'm having for breakfast and something very yummy. So wait for it. So it is 9:30 and I am ready for my breakfast. I've actually woken up really early today. I woke up at 7. I just couldn't sleep last night, so everything is happening early. And what better than having something chocolatey for breakfast and yet something that's extremely healthy and loaded with fiber? So, like you guys can see, breakfast is chocolate chia pudding with mangoes. Now, this has 0% calories. Like, this is very healthy. It's sweetened with dates. It has cocoa powder, which has no calories at all. Chia seeds, high in fiber, and mangoes for just making it sweet. That is why today I skipped my chia seeds and warm water and lemon, because I was going to have a chia seed pudding for my breakfast. Mm. It is so yummy, it is so healthy, great source of fiber, great for your gut. I mean, this is as healthy as it can get. The chocolatey flavor mixed with the sweetness and the tanginess of mango is just yummy. So this is what I'm having for breakfast. It's light, so I can go work out if I want. And I don't like to eat like tail and namak as soon as I wake up. And this is great for my skin as well. So chia seed pudding is a new addition in my breakfast. Chalo, now let me enjoy this, and I'm going to see you guys for lunch. So I showed you guys in my what I eat in a week video also that this is what I'm eating this week. This is brown rice and I have it in this katori. That's it. This is what I use for measuring. I'm not very particular, but I do believe in portion control. So this is brown rice. Today I have rajma with me. I'm just having sticking to like one sabji or something that has like lots of protein. So today is rajma. Yesterday was chicken. So like that, I'm just being creative. At the same time, I just love eating homemade food. Never without my bowl of raita. And yeah, this is incredibly healthy, very nutritious. जो भी चीज घर पे बनती है, don't doubt that. Trust what you're eating at home. We take a second to go outside and eat and be like, oh, we're eating healthy. But when it comes to a homemade food, we question so much. So don't do that. So brown rice with like whatever vegetables you have at home is my lunch for this week. So it's 4:30, that means time for a mid-evening snack. Now, like you guys have seen, my coffee looks a little different. Usually it's just coffee and water, but lately I've started to add plant-based milk. I used to have it earlier as well. I'm lactose intolerant, so I cannot have normal milk. So this milk really, really suits me. It sort of fills my stomach up. So between 4:30 to 5:30, it's really important to eat something, or else you'll end up binging at night, which is not healthy. So the new addition to my mid-evening snack is my coffee with plant-based milk. I also have my protein bar with me. I do not have this every day, but can you guys see this? Honestly, is this even freaking healthy? I am shook right now. This tastes like strawberry wafer and it's a protein bar. What? This has 10 grams of protein, no added sugar. Oh, dude, this is so good. I just feel I need to have something healthy for dinner because मुझे बहुत doubt हो रहा है healthy है कि नहीं है because it's so yummy. I've never had a protein bar that is so tasty. And I have with me my tomato soup. Tomatoes have so many health benefits. They're great for your skin. And bachpan mein I used to have tomato soup. And mom used to make these bread, like chotu chotu bread, kaat ke, and I still have it. I dip it in my soup. So I think, yeah, this is what I'm going to have for dinner today, along with 2, 3 pieces of chicken tikka. It's like having my childhood in a bowl. Also, this tomato soup has no cream or nothing fat. It's just purely made out of tomatoes. It's really, really nice. And yeah, this is end of day 30, 1 month into my challenge, 1 month into eating healthy. There were 2 days I remember when one day I ate one packet of chips and one day I ate pasta, but I did not eat sugar. So I'm very, very proud of myself. Thank you guys for being a part of my journey. Thank you for being my friends. Thank you for being my supporters. Thank you for being my loudest cheerleaders. I love you guys. Also, please, I need an update on what's going on with y'all, what's going on with your journey. I know you guys lost like 2 kgs, 1.5 kgs. Please keep updating me and let me know if I can help you guys in any way. I love you guys and see you all in the next video.